pterodactyls and Tyrannosaurus Rex and several other really cool designs that a lot of children are really going to love and a lot of adults will be surprised by. So let's get started. We're going to start today with the Rhamphorhynchus. It's a flying dinosaur, very similar to a pterodactyl. You'd probably look at it and think, ah, pterodactyl. So that's where we're going to start right now. This uses a 260 balloon. I'm going to blow it up and leave about a 3-inch tail. Voila! Alright, and we start by making a 2.5-inch bubble. And we're going to follow that with 2 1-inch bubbles. And I'm going to pinch twist each of these. So a 1-inch bubble with a pinch twist, and another 1-inch bubble and a pinch twist. These are going to be the eyes. So we'll put these on the side. Got my 2.5-inch front. I'm going to follow this up with another 1-inch bubble, followed by a 2.5-inch bubble, which is my body. Okay, so we got the eyes, got a 1-inch bubble for my neck, 2.5 to 3-inch bubble for the body. Hold this tight here. We'll make another 3-inch bubble, 3-inch bubble. So I have this string here, 1-inch bubble, and a bunch of 3.5 and 3-inch bubbles, 3.5, 3-inch, and 3-inch. Lock this in. This is my first set of wings. I'm going to make another 2 bubbles, about 3 inches each. Bring this through and lock these in on the other side. So I actually have something that looks like this. And then we're going to make a 1-inch bubble, about 1.5-inch bubble, another 1.5-inch bubble, twist these together. These are my feet. Now the key to making this a nice balloon is positioning. Before I position, I'm going to go ahead and draw the face on. My eyes will go on the front of these 2 pinch twists. I'm going to draw some toes on here. Kind of an extra, but it's a nice little extra. So then you'll notice I got the teeth and the eyes. He's looking right at you. I'm going to bring this neck up. And I'll bring the nose down just a little bit. Kind of make a little arch there. There's my pterodactyl. If I pull the feet apart from the tail, I can actually perch him on my finger. So here we have the pterodactyl. He's perching on my finger, getting ready to pounce down on someone. Really cool. I think you get a lot of positive reactions with this one.